That's all I found that fell.
Successful. Congratulations. You are now off the couch and out exploring the world. Roger that.
Get charged up for what's coming next, anytime, anywhere, with Mountain Dew Kickstart. Now in 4 energizing new flavors like Midnight Grape, Blueberry Pomegranate, Watermelon, and Blood Orange. Mountain Dew Kickstart. It all starts with a kick.
Maybe push that all the way back where your radar weather is.
Oh wait, I'm trying.
Put that back where your radar weather is.
Cars and trucks, and our service department has factory-trained technicians working in a state-of-the-art facility. We're committed to a no-pressure, high-integrity approach to your car buying experience. You will be satisfied. So for a deal on a new or pre-owned vehicle,
Goodbye, guys.
Sales of Hutchinson. Hey, Amos for